Hi friends, welcome to TechTa channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to get Meta verified option in Instagram. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, first of all update your Instagram, then open your Instagram, press on your profile icon, press on three lines top right side corner, then press on setting and privacy. In this you can select accounts center. You can see here Meta verified option not showing. Then open your Chrome, then search here Meta verified, then click on get verified blue check on Instagram, Facebook. Open this option. Here little bit scroll down, then select here Instagram, then press on join waitlist. You can see here you are on the waitlist. Thank you for your interest. We will send a notification when Meta verified is possible to you. Notification may be sent via email or appear in your Facebook or Instagram app. So that's it guys. So in this way you get Meta verification option in Instagram. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.